Shyam Metalics announced that its wholly owned subsidiary, Shyam Cell and Power Limited, has started an 8.90 megawatt peak captive solar power project at its Jamuria plant in West Bengal. The project combines 4.60 megawatt peak under the CAPEX model and 4.30 megawatt peak under the OPEX model to reduce electricity costs and increase the use of clean energy. The company said the project will help lower carbon emissions while supporting sustainable manufacturing. TVS Motor Company has acquired an additional 4.39% stake in its subsidiary TVS Credit Services from Lucas TVS for 711 crore rupees. With this deal, TVS Motors ownership in TVS Credit Services has increased from 80.76% to 85.15%. The company said the acquisition will simplify ownership and improve operational efficiency, and the transaction has been completed. Marine Electricals Limited has secured new orders worth 141.74 crore rupees from Princeton Digital Group Management Private Limited to supply, install, test and commission a power distribution system. The company said the project will be completed within 10 months.